Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Polkadot. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys. So make sure that you join as soon as possible, because this is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group before I talk about them on YouTube. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Polkadot is currently ranked number 16th. The price is at $6, 11.63% up for the day. The market cap is sitting right below 10 billion, 9.18 billion to be exact. I know that the market cap is kind of high compared to other projects that we've been looking at in this channel, but the chart looks amazing. It's currently at range lows. Before we look at the chart, let's look at what is Polkadot real quick. So Polkadot is an open source sharded multi-chain protocol that connects and secures a network of specialized blockchains, facilitating cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just tokens, allowing blockchains to be interoperable with each other. Interoperability is a big thing, guys. That's the first keyword. Polkadot was designed to provide a foundation for a decentralized internet of blockchains, also known as Web3. That's another keyword here, Web3. This is their website. You can find it at polkadot.com. Defy what's possible. Polkadot unites the world's innovators and change makers, building and using the most transformative apps and blockchains. The website looks really nice. It has a lot of info that you might be interested in, but you can go through it on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. This is their X account. You can find it at Polkadot, a powerful, secure core of Web3 for boundary-defying developers. And look at this. They've been pretty active, posting every single day. But the most important thing is that they have 1.4 million followers. There is a huge community behind them that supports this token. This is the chart. We are looking at DOT, the daily chart on Binance. If we zoom out, we see that Polkadot has experienced another bull run before in 2021. That's why everyone knows Polkadot. It had a nice run all the way up here to $54 last time. It formed a double top pattern. This is it right here. People took profits, and then the price action started pulling back down after the previous bull run. And after the distribution phase, we saw a markdown phase. Price action broke below this 200 simple moving average. And eventually, we entered the next phase, which is the accumulation phase. So you see that we are currently at range lows. In my view, inside this rectangle that I'm going to draw right now on the chart is basically the best buying opportunity for Polkadot. And as you see, the price action just broke above it. So as you see here, we have a huge double bottom idea going on. This is the opposite of a double top idea, just like we saw here. This is the bearish pattern, and this is a bullish pattern. We saw a nice little run up on March of 2024 when the whole crypto market experienced a mini bull run. Polkadot came all the way up here and tested this price level of $11.88. Then people took profits, the price action started pulling back down, and we came all the way down here again. We had a nice little pump recently. You can see it if we zoom in. Price action is currently moving above this 200 simple moving average, which is really bullish. And also, we broke above this Fibonacci level that I have here on the chart that's located at $5.77. So what I want to see is this daily candle to close above this. Eventually, in the coming weeks or months, what I really want to see is this 200 simple moving average to start trending upwards and the price action start bouncing on it. This is going to be the beginning of a markup phase. Now, I see a few trend lines here. I see this trend line. If the price action breaks below this key level of support that's located at $5.77 and we break below this 200 simple moving average, we might see a pullback here. If the price action breaks even below this trend line, we might see a pullback all the way down here at this Fibonacci level of support that's located at $3.63. And that's basically the bottom. Look at this. That's a very important key level of support. We had a nice bounce here, a few other bounces here and here. So this is going to be a very nice buying opportunity if the price action comes all the way back here again. However, for now, things are looking pretty bullish. And if the price action continues like that, maybe putting another higher low somewhere around here before a continuation move to the upside. You see this is a low and this is going to be a higher low. this is a very bullish idea if it happens. Now, I have a few more Fibonacci levels of support and resistance here on the chart. So now that we've broken above this key level of support currently at $5.77, we might see a pullback here and a bounce here, getting a retest of this. So I'm going to measure the moves starting from this point. So if the price action comes back all the way down here to get a retest of this level at $5.77, the measured move to the next target that's located at $6.78 is a 17% move. The next target is located at $7.75, and that's a 34% move. Next target at $8.72, that's a 51% move, guys. The next target located at $10, that's a 75% move out of Polkadot. The next target at $11.88, the measured move over 100%, 106%. You can double your money. Now remember, Polkadot has already a market cap of about 10 billion, 9 billion. Therefore, it needs some kind of liquidity to flow into this token in order for it to make moves like that. It's not going to be easy to move. It takes time. The all-time high, if we zoom out, actually below this all-time high, we have another Fibonacci level that's located at 16.97 cents. The measured move is an approximate 200% move, guys. Amazing move out of Polkadot. If we zoom out even more, I have this price target. This is going to be my price prediction for Polkadot for 2025, just for now, because I want to give you a conservative price prediction. Since Polkadot has a market cap of 9 billion, I think a 5x move makes sense. If Polkadot pulls a 5x move, it's going to reach the price of $30, and it's going to have a market cap of 45.6 billion. Now, if we zoom out even more, we see that the all-time high during this previous bull run was all the way up here at $54. So if we manage to come back here to test that previous all-time high and even break above it, I have another price prediction here for you, which is a 10x move. If Polkadot pulls a 10x move, it's going to have a price of $60 and a market cap of 91 billion. If we look at CoinMarketCap, we see that Polkadot in November of 2021 had a market cap of 53 billion when it reached that all-time high at $54. So that's not impossible, guys. Of course, there are many more tokens in the crypto space right now, and money inflows might be spread around. But it's not impossible that we reach this previous all-time high or even surpass it. Again, what's amazing about this chart is that we are currently at range lows. You see that from this all-time high in 2021, Polkadot lost over 90% of its value. We have experienced a nice little pump recently, moving above this first Fibonacci level at $5.77, but we still have a long way to go. So these are my price predictions. 5x move, 45 billion market cap at $30, or even more bullish, a 10x move surpassing that previous all-time high at $60 with a market cap of 91 billion. Let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Do you think that Polkadot can pull a 10x move during this upcoming bull run? Or it's too much? Or do you think that we can even surpass that and move a little bit higher? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.